Good morning, people. We are not as late as the last morning walk, but not as early as the first. And it's starting to get a little chilly outside, so I am wearing some long johns because I do not like being cold, not even a little bit. I'm still stuffy. I was sick for the last week and a half. I'm starting to feel better. I missed last weekend's walk, and so we're off to a new place. We're going to Barrington, Rhode Island, and we're going to be out by the water, so it's going to be even a hint colder. So let's check out what we find. So far, place looks pretty nice. You can hear a lot of traffic though, and just while I was setting up with my camera gear, 3 people showed up with dogs. So, ooh, there's already a fork in the road. Interesting. Let's go. So I'm trying to get a nice shot of this bridge with the leaves poking through on the right side here that have a little color. I'm exposing pretty dark, and I got an ND filter on here, which I really don't want to, but it's protecting the glass, and I don't feel like changing the filter. There's some really nice colors on the tree right there to the right. Nice green path. We get this little crossover bridge, and some pine trees on the left. I think it's being framed okay. Maybe I'll come down a little bit, bringing the focus point up right into the bridge. Sometimes you find like a perfect composition of a trail inside the woods, and the leaves are just starting to change, so it's getting to be really pretty. It's always been really nice, but it's starting to, it's cool outside, the leaves are just starting to change, they're not all dead yet, but so it's kind of a cloudy day, but in the area I'm looking, which is right behind me, I don't know how well that came out. It would be a beautiful shot of the trail. Some of these trees some of these leaves are turning red over here on the left and yellow in the front. But the sun is right behind those clouds, and that's just going to blow out the picture. And this place would be, this place is beautiful. I think the only thing that'd make it just a hair better is if you didn't hear all the traffic. But besides that, this place is beautiful. We found another Airbnb listing out here in Barrington. because it's in Barrington, this Airbnb listing. 1 bedroom, no bathroom, waterfront view, $4,000 a night. Come camp with us. So because I'm using the Peak Design travel tripod today to try to get some landscape photography in, and you are on my Gorilla Pod. So all low angles for you today. But I think I got some beautiful shots coming in, hopefully. And I wish there was less sky exposed, but I am really happy that it's a cloudy day. Oh, I think this is gonna look really nice. Might have to just crop in a little and I think move. Yeah, I like the composition the way it was. I think I moved too much. I liked it where it was. I'll try one like that, but I don't. It's a lot of sky. It's an extra tree. Nope, don't like it. Why is Lefty Lucy on this thing? I don't understand. We'll add that 3rd tree into the composition for now. You can always crop it in later. So I believe we're coming up on our 2nd Airbnb showing in Barrington today. Check it out. It's another 1 bedroom, 0 bath, waterfront views, $6,000 a night. Rustic cabin living. No heat. Make your own fireplace. 0 amenities. So everybody's looking for nowadays, right? Roughing it. I think you guys are really gonna like this. Check this out. If we could just get rid of the noise, the traffic, it'd be like serene out here. Look at me using big words. So I'm actually encountering a little problem. Water just does not seem to be my friend these last couple of weeks on these walks. We came across the bridge, which I think I already showed a clip of, and took some pictures, and now we're on our way back, and it seems like the tide's coming in a little bit, because now I can't get to the bridge, and not quite sure what to do now, because I don't feel like getting my feet soaked, because that'll be the end of the trip. Huh, you have to figure this out. Well, this wasn't like that before. Oh, the road I've been complaining about hearing the whole time was actually my savior, because I was able to squeak through some of the brush and a few thorns and make it back out to the parking lot. Considering the time, I kind of have to start the trail from the beginning again, but I'm gonna take a right where it forks off this time. So see how that goes. Well, you will if you're with me. Taking this journey together. Let's go. Do you remember being here? Because I remember being here. And I actually went that way and got flooded in. So we're gonna go this way. So part of doing these nature walks in the morning was to de-stress and try to relax, be by myself and enjoy nature, which I'm doing. I think I just might have put too much of a twist on it by bringing 2 cameras trying to film, capture wildlife, look for really nice compositions. Now for landscape, because my telephoto is still with Sony, you can hurry up any day now. And I gotta make a decision or a conscious effort to, if I'm gonna like walk into the woods and stop every 10 feet to look for a composition or potentially set up and take a picture or record, the way back is gotta be for me, I guess. That's what I'm telling myself. I don't know if I'm gonna actually do that, but it's something I should practice. Otherwise, I'm just creating this time for me in peace into a secondary job. It took a while for the exposure to catch up. Hello. Yeah, so like I was saying, I'm just turning this into a second job, I guess. Cue random shot of berries on a tree. So I believe we're coming to the end of our journey. We're gonna make our way back now. And I got a couple shots. It's a new spot. You know, I'm used to coming out with the oh, wait a minute. Bam, it's probably super overexposed. Hold on. So I'm just gonna head back now. It's been a couple hours. I got a couple shots. It's a really beautiful morning out. It's a really beautiful place, and I definitely plan on coming back here when I get my telephoto lens back from Sony. And it's a good time. Very beautiful. So catch you next weekend. Later.